One of the hardest things to achieve when staging your home for sale is creating an open, airy, uncluttered feel. Here is a surefire method to declutter your home and have it looking best for open homes and auction day. In every room, create 3 piles. Or, if you have them, bring in 3 big bins. One is to show, one is to throw, the last one is to stow. If items are too big to add to a pile, you can label them with post-it notes. The throw pile. Here it is, your chance to lighten your load when moving. Objects that have been jamming up your free space. Things you haven't used for ages. The stow pile. Typically, this will contain personal items that prevent potential buyers from picturing them living in your space, but that you simply can't bear parting with. These you will stow under the house or in another location until your sale is complete. Finally, the show pile is the one that contains items that present each room in its best light. For example, single pieces of furniture that anchor the space. So now you know, what are you going to show, throw and stow? Once you decide that, you'll have the space of mind to begin staging your home for a successful sale.